Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to torch fat in just 10 minutes? Whether you're super busy, short on time, or just looking for a quick way to get in shape, today's video is all about efficiency. We're bringing you a 10-minute workout that will burn fat fast, boost your metabolism, and leave you feeling energized and strong. Now, you might be thinking, can I really get results in just 10 minutes? And the answer is yes. With the right combination of moves, you can maximize fat burn and work up a serious sweat in no time. The key is intensity and focus. So, if you're ready to go all out for just 10 minutes, let's jump right in. Warm up, 1 minute. Before we dive into the fat-burning exercises, it's crucial to warm up your body to avoid injury and get your muscles ready to work. We'll keep it short and simple with just 1 minute of dynamic movements. Start with jumping jacks to get the blood flowing and loosen up your joints. Make sure you're breathing deeply and getting into the zone because this workout is about to be fire. Exercise 1 high knees, 30 seconds. Alright, let's kick things off with high knees. This is a killer cardio move that really gets your heart rate up and burns calories fast. Bring those knees up as high as you can, engaging your core, and pump your arms to stay balanced. You want to go hard here, keep the pace quick, and don't slack. Remember, it's only 30 seconds, so push yourself. High knees are great for working your legs, core, and even your upper body. Exercise 2 burpees, 30 seconds. Next up, we've got burpees, one of the most effective full body exercises to burn fat. I know, they're tough, but they're totally worth it. From a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump back up and reach for the sky. Burpees hit every major muscle group, your chest, arms, legs, and core, and they burn a ton of calories in a short amount of time. Try to get as many reps as you can in 30 seconds. Exercise 3 mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Time to hit the floor for mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and start driving your knees toward your chest, one at a time, as if you're climbing the floor. This is a fantastic move for burning belly fat and strengthening your core. Keep your body straight, and don't let your hips sag. Go as fast as you can while maintaining good form. The faster you go, the more fat you'll burn. Exercise 4 jump squats, 30 seconds. Now, let's power up those legs with jump squats. Squats are great for toning your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and adding a jump takes it to the next level by increasing the intensity. Start in a squat position, making sure your knees don't go past your toes. Explode upward into a jump, land softly, and go right back into the squat. This explosive movement will fire up your metabolism and torch calories like crazy. Exercise 5 push-ups, 30 seconds. Alright, time to hit the upper body with push-ups. Push-ups are an amazing exercise for strengthening your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Plus, they help build muscle, and more muscle means more fat burned throughout the day. If regular push-ups are too challenging, feel free to drop to your knees. The key is to keep your form strong. Your body should be in a straight line from head to toe. Keep pushing for the full 30 seconds. Exercise 6 plank to push up, 30 seconds. While we're down on the floor, let's do plank push-ups for an added challenge. Start in a plank position, then lower yourself down to your forearms, and push back up to your hands. This exercise not only works your core but also strengthens your arms, shoulders, and chest. Try to keep your hips as steady as possible and engage your core the entire time. It's tough, but remember, it's only 30 seconds, stay focused. Exercise 7 jumping lunges, 30 seconds. Let's get those legs moving again with jumping lunges. This explosive move is amazing for burning fat and building lean muscle. From a lunge position, jump up and switch legs mid-air, landing in a lunge on the opposite side. Jumping lunges are great for your legs and glutes, and they'll also get your heart rate soaring. Keep the movement controlled, and try to land softly to protect your knees. Exercise 8 bicycle crunches, 30 seconds. We're moving back to the core with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring your knees up, and alternate touching your elbows to the opposite knee in a twisting motion. This exercise is incredible for working your entire abdominal area, especially those obliques. Keep your movements steady and controlled, and really engage your core to get the most out of this exercise. The more you twist, the more fat you'll burn. Exercise 9, shadow boxing, 30 seconds. Let's switch things up with a fun, fast-paced move, shadow boxing. Throw punches into the air as fast as you can while bouncing lightly on your feet. This is a great way to get in some cardio while also working your arms, shoulders, and core. Imagine you're in the ring, and go all out for 30 seconds. Keep your fists up, your core tight, and your movements quick. Cool down, you crushed it. Now let's take a minute to cool down and bring your heart rate back to normal. Do some gentle stretching, focus on your legs, arms, and back. Take deep breaths and feel proud of yourself for pushing through this quick but intense fat-burning workout. And there you have it, a 10-minute fat-burning workout that you can do anytime, anywhere. No excuses, right? The beauty of this routine is that it's short enough to fit into even the busiest of schedules but powerful enough to deliver serious results when you stay consistent. Remember, the key to burning fat fast is giving it your all in those 10 minutes, high intensity, full focus. Whether you're doing this as a morning workout or squeezing it in after work, this routine will help you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and keep your body strong. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep going, stay strong, and crush those fitness goals.